Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. I haven't done a unboxing for a while and I'm super excited today to bring you guys the unboxing of the super cool WF-1000XM4s by Sony. Now they've just come out and I had pre-ordered them and I got them today. They were on back order. That's how good they are. Now, without further ado, first of all, I would like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. It's for free. Please do subscribe and give it a like if you like the video. Okay, let's get this unboxing underway. Now, straight off, you guys would notice it's very recyclable material used in the box itself. So it's very much, which is nice to see, you know, and yeah, so, and it's very simplistic, you know, not too much information to overwhelm you. Okay, this I like. Okay, this is the kind of things that I like when unboxing. Like if you're doing a million unboxing and then you get to the unboxing and you have to play around half an hour to just open it up, it can be a bit annoying. All right, trying to not to rip it off completely. Okay, that's it. Okay, came off. Opening it up. Very simple. Cardboard, you know, nothing too fancy. Okay, basically some documentation explaining how to turn it on and pair it and all that. Let's look inside. What do we get? Okay, so you get that 3D reality audio that Sony has, and some manuals. Okay, so that's basically it for that. What else do you get inside? Okay, so by the looks of it, it's very neatly done. So you get the USB-A to USB-C cable, charging cable, which you'll need to charge the headphones. And on the other side, you've got the small and large. So it's got mediums on itself and it's got the small and large earbuds. Okay. All right, let's get all of this out of the way and open the product itself. All right, let's get this opened up. So again, little tabs here to kind of let you know where everything is. Oopsie, that didn't go too good. I think I can slide it out without, oh yes. So the honest straightforward way didn't work, but it's good to see it's very like recycled paper, nothing too fancy there to. Okay, now this is really light. It's really beautiful. I don't mind that at all, you know. It's very nice. Okay, another tab here. Okay, that's just to disconnect it, I guess, to start charging. So it's going to charge. Okay, wow, look at those. Look at the nice rose gold symbol there, writing there. Can't go wrong with black. Let's look at the other one. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful. All right, look inside. Nicely built, everything. All right, guys. That's basically it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see and what you'd like me to pair it against. And yeah, thanks for staying to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share it around. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.